What's up, guys? Day number 14. As you can see, we're not at a cement park like we talked about yesterday. So I got there and there was a skate camp going on. So there's kids everywhere. Would have just been too hard to try to make something happen. This park isn't too far away. Decided to come here. Only have like an hour to skate today, so that's it. Gonna get right to it. I think I'm gonna try to learn a mini ramp trick. I'm thinking fakie back Smith to backside tail slide. Hopefully. We'll see. I have a few other tricks in mind, but we'll see if that works out. Yeah, so let's see if we can get a trick for day 14. I gotta think of something else. I have like a half hour to get a trick though, so better think quick. Alright, so I think I got a trick. Last time I was here, I did nollie, big spin, tail stall, revert. So today I'm gonna try fakie, frontside big spin, no stall. Whatever it's called. Seems like it'll be awkward, but I can't really think of anything, so. Alright, scratch that. Try a kickflip, front 5-0, maybe to fakie. iPhone storage full. Luckily I didn't get a trick. Tried like 4 or 5 different ones. Nowhere close. I got like 15 minutes left to get a trick. Think I have an idea though. Alright, I'm gonna try half cab to feeble, 270 out. The hard way. I've never 270'd out of a feeble gram before, so it's kind of a big ramp to learn it on. But we got like 10-15 minutes, so let's just try. I think it could happen. Got like 5 minutes. Damn, I really gotta go. I'm gonna try like 3 more. I gotta go. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh. All right, I got 1 more after that one. Let's get it. I wish that counted, but it didn't. All right, seriously, last one. That's it. I gotta go. So I was in such a rush before because I got dropped off and picked up at the skate park. Couldn't get the trick, tried for a decent amount of time. Overexerted myself in the heat, couldn't get it. Whatever, had to leave, just couldn't get the trick. So, got home around 1 o'clock. I have work at 4. That's it. Just had to take an Uber to the skate park and try to make something happen. Really wanted to get that trick, so just figured I'd try that more. But this ramp, way harder to do it on. I think because it's steeper. The other one was a little bit more mellow, maybe 6 inches smaller, which doesn't seem like much, but makes a huge difference. Like, anyway, tried it for so long that I can't show you all the tries because it's just, yeah, there was way too many. Yeah, definitely a tough one. One of the harder tricks for me in the challenge. Took a while. Burnt. Body's destroyed. That's it though. Feel good. Got the trick. And see you guys tomorrow. Day number 15.